Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Suica card at Narita Airport. When you arrive at Narita Airport and want to get a Suica card, start by going to one of the ticket machines or counter that offers Suica card services. On the machine screen, look for the option that says Purchase Suica and touch it, usually located at the bottom left of the display. Next, you will see a few options such as My Suica, Suica card, and Charge. For most travelers, selecting the Suica card is the easiest choice. The My Suica option requires entering personal information like your name, gender, date of birth, and phone number. This allows you to get a registered card, which means if you lose it, you can claim the remaining balance by paying a small fee. To verify your identity for a refund, you must present your passport, and the card can only be used by the registered card holder. Choose the standard Suica card option is simpler. It does not require personal information, so it can be used immediately and used by anyone. However, if it gets lost, the balance cannot be refunded. For short-term stays in Japan, this option is usually sufficient. After selecting your card type, you need to decide the amount to load onto the card. Suica cards require a minimum deposit of 500 yen, which is included in the card itself. For example, if you choose to load 1000 yen, 500 yen will be credited as usable balance, and the remaining 500 yen will serve as a deposit. Once you complete the payment, the Suica card will be issued immediately. Collect the card from the machine and it is ready to use. You can now start using it for trains, buses, and even some shops around Japan. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.